Hi students, I just want to make a quick tutorial of how to sign into our Gizmos, our online lab thing that we're going to be using called Gizmos. So your instructions are down here, okay, March 29th, where it says step 1, 2, 3. You're going to, if you want to see, a PDF of it, I have the instructions here. I have a link to the actual website that you're going to go to. And then here also, if you're curious, here is our agenda slide, right, for the day. All right, so first thing you're going to do is click on this explorelearning.com, right? And then you're going to go to the upper right-hand corner where it says request info. Excuse me, down here. Let me log out. Mine looks a little different because I have an account already. So let's go here, Explore Learning. Here we go, login/enroll. And down here where it says enroll in class, you're going to put in, if you're 4A, you're going to copy and paste this code in there. And then click enroll in class. So make sure it has your class on there. 2B, yours will say 2B, right? Block 2 on B day. This code is specifically for block 4 on A day. So you're going to click the green, I need to create an Explore Learning account. And then you're going to fill in this information. Your name, your email address, please use your, whatever your student one is. Right. Don't use a personal email. Use your @student.monmouthregional.net. Create a username. Like mine, for instance, is jroach. That's usually what I pick. So pick a username for yourself, create a password, and then you're going to click on submit. And what you'll see, so I'm going to log into my personal account. For your classroom, so I have many classes, your 4A class is going to be doing this one called Sled Wars. And you're going to click on that and then launch Gizmo, and this will launch your Gizmo. So your assignment is here, right? New assignment, so you're going to click on that. And then this is what it'll look like. Okay, so you're reading along with it and you are altering the interactive. So it says the ability to crash through doors and cause other changes depends on an object's energy. With the Sled Wars Gizmo, you will explore the factors that affect the energy of a sled. The Gizmo shows a Yeti named Bert. So Yeti is a snow monster in America, named Bert, riding his sled down a steep hill. Bert plays a game where he tries to wreck as many snowmen as he can. So number 1 says, use the slider to set the snowmen to 5. So you would come up here. See, I have 3 snowmen. I'm going to set it to 5. Press play. How many snowmen does this sled destroy? Right, and down here is all of my information. The speed of my sled, meters per second. The max sled energy, in joules, right, 24,500. It tells me how many snowmen I destroyed, as well as my final speed and energy, which is both 0 because my Yeti is at the bottom of the hill. Now I can click up here too and actually show my potential and kinetic energy as he slides down. So look, click reset. So reset is this little loopy looking arrow. It's going to reset everything. Set the sled mass to 200 kilograms. So I would set my sled mass to 200 and then click play. Look at my joules changing up here. Oh, and I killed more snowmen and I had more energy. But note that my speed, right, I don't remember if it's quite the same, but it looks like it's about the same. Okay, click reset. Drag the sled to the top of the hill. So the starting site is 50 meters. So I drag him all the way up here. And click play. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I killed all 5 snowmen. Okay, so you're going to read that and fill in as you go. And then here is your first activity, right? Get the gizmo ready. It's going to make sure you have what's called presets. It means the things you need in order to correctly do the activity, right? So you're going to do the observations, then run your experiment, okay, and answer the questions. Okay, if you have any more questions for me, please make sure to email me or chat with me in the Google Hangouts. Okay, and I will get back to you.